Welcome to our brief overview on how to use the Smartdrive driver app. To log in, first enter your company name. Your manager will let you know the correct name to type. Next, enter your username. Then, enter your password. Check the box labeled, "Remember me on this device," if you'd like your credentials to be remembered by your device. Tap or click, Login. You are now logged into your personal safety dashboard. This dashboard shows your safety score over the past 12 weeks. Scroll forward and backward by swiping left or right on the screen, or if using a laptop, click these dots with your mouse. The first screen shows your safety score progression over the weeks 1 to 6 of the most recent 12-week period. The second screen shows weeks 7 to 12. To find out which behaviors have contributed to your safety score, click or tap the button labeled, View My Performance. This screen lists the behaviors affecting your safety score. The percentages show how much each behavior has contributed to the score. To get more details on one of these driving observations, click or tap on that observation. In this example, unsafe following is the observation that has been selected. We can see from the percentage on the right that this observation makes up 88% of the safety score. The events in which this observation were made are listed below. Tap on an event to see more details. This screen provides a summary of the event details. At the top is the recorded date and the unique event ID. To the right, we can see the observation score for this event. The event info and details are displayed, as well as the driver info and details. At the bottom, the coaching status is displayed. To move to the next event, swipe the screen or click the button with your mouse. Move from event to event by swiping or by clicking on the dots. View the location of the event by clicking on the word, Map. To view the video of the event, click the word, Video. Tap the Play icon to play the video. To enlarge the video, you can turn your phone or tablet on its side. Return to the previous screen by tapping on Back to Observation. To get back to the driver performance screen, tap Back to Driver Performance. The dashboard can be accessed by tapping Back to Driver Safety Overview. You are now back on the Driver Safety Dashboard screen. Smartdrive recommends that you change your password. To do this, tap on the menu icon at the top of the screen. Simply tap on Change Password and follow the steps, or hit the X to exit without saving a new password. To log out of the app, simply click Log Out. If you have any questions about using the Smartdrive driver app, please contact your manager. Thank you.